In Windows 11, you no longer need to download software from the Software Center and can find and install apps from within the Microsoft Store app. To access the store, go ahead and select on the Microsoft App Store icon. Here you can find a variety of categories to choose from gaming to entertainment, and even an AI hub, which goes through all the new AI tools and applications you can utilize to help promote better work efficiency. Simply put, if there's an app that you decide to find and want to install, for instance, let's go ahead and use the Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can go ahead and select on it and it'll take you to the application page. From here, simply install, and then it'll start downloading. Once it's downloaded, you can view all of your applications through the library. Within your library, you can then view and see all of the applications installed. From here, you can choose to update, open, as well as pin to the taskbar or start menu. So feel free to use these to find applications that are going to help create more efficiency within your work and to enhance productivity.